Good evening, my dear Toastmasters. Building a team. What is this? And is this beneficial for you? And what's there? What we can do with a team? Teamwork. Can you remember what was your last teamwork? Please keep it in mind. When you are seeing these future slides, then you can see how what your teamwork was success. So you had to improve that your team, or you can get ideas by this. I think it will be valuable for you. Okay, let's see what are the benefits of a teamwork. There are two categories of benefits. One is a corporate benefits, and other one is as a leader benefits for you. Let's see what are the corporate benefits. Let's say you are an employee or an employer, then there are many benefits for you working with the team for your company, or if you are employer or if you are employee, both position you can get many benefits by that. So if you are employer, you can get ideas by your employees, so that's your team. And if you are employee, if you are team lead of someone, then you can get ideas of your training. So everyone, you can make a team. And not only that, you can get many creative ideas by them. So if you are great leader, or if you work to be a successful person, then those ideas will be valuable for you, for your future, for your company future improvements. Definitely you have to consider about those ideas and their creativity. You have to respect that. And and as a leader, as a leader, if you are working your all works as a single person, you don't want to do like that. You have to share your works with your team. Then you have to spend less time on one task. What's the benefit of that? Then you have enough time to think, and by that you can get better ideas. Then if you are spread your works with the team, and if you are made better team, then there's enough time to achieve your goals. Okay, let's see how to organize the team. First of all, you have to select the team members. That's the most important thing. Team members should be not only person who can work with, or not your favoritions. Team members should be talented and people who are ready to work with as a team. That's the most important thing. And next, you have to review goals. You have to set a goal for team, and you have to review that and establish parameters with proper timelines. So let's say like this: we have to achieve this parameter within this timeline, after this timeline, like that. Develop a plan with the time, with the team, or your targets, like that. And you have to assign roles and responsibilities. As a leader, you don't want to keep highest responsibilities of your organization or your anywhere. You don't need to keep all responsibilities with you. You have to assign responsibilities among your team. Then that will be beneficial for you. After that, you have to establish measurement. Definitely, you have to keep measurements about your goal, and after that you can share among your team, and you will be able to achieve that more successfully. And you have to build team trust. There are many ways to build team trust, and you can follow some different kind of activities, or some outings like that with team. Then that will build a trust of your team. Empowerment. What's that? The success of leader depends upon the ability to share power with others and let them direct their own work. Is that true? Yeah, definitely that's true. I'll show how it became true. Definitely, it's the most important thing of this teamwork. And let's say how how can we train the team? We have to train and practice teamwork concepts, problem solving. Definitely, if there's a team, then they are. If you are working on a project or something like that, then they may have problems to solve. Then your team may have that confidence to solve their problems, and you have to provide proper guidelines for that. And team definitely have hold effective meetings. By that, it will one point to improve trust of the team, because of everyone know what we are going to do, and everyone have trust of others, and you have to organize that. And project management definitely need for a teamwork. And ev- and if there are conflicts, then you have to resolve conflicts of your team. I didn't say about communication because of it's the most important part. If there are no communication, then there are no teamwork, I think. I i i i i, I, uh, I provide the reason for that then. Yes, you can see by foster communication what are the results of that. High moral, pride, willingness to take risk, willingness to change, efficiently in resolving disagreements. So, if there are no communication, how these things will be happen? Definitely, with team, you have to be a better communication method. Even if the team is not a one building or one place, you can manage some remote communication methods like Zoom. For software development process, we are using Slack. Like that, there are many ways to keep communication strong. Definitely, you have to follow those. Leaders changing role. Leader something sometimes once leader forming the team. After that, it's supervising. After team will occur some problems, so leader need to solve those as a facilitator, and need some advisors for your team. Then you have to be a coach for them. Then you have to monitor the team. Definitely, you have to recognize which is the best way for you, and which team players are more capable for works like that. You have to do analyze of them. So after all, I'll show you one of real life experience of mine. So last year I was left from my previous job. So after that, I've got many comments by my teammates. I have many training employees. So this is one of thing I've got one of my training member. So if you can improve teamwork, so if you have enough confidence to make your team, and you can guide them to correct path, then definitely you will get many more comments like this. So other thing, if you are finally, as a conclusion, I would like to say, if you are selecting your team carefully, plus you have to organize team, plus training, new levels of growth and achievements. This is real example for that. 2018, Malta Toastmasters Club became President Distinguished with 9 DCPs, and 2020, it became President Distinguished with 10 DCPs. Over to you, Toastmaster.